Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 E3, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first I'll do this with the Muviz Edge application because we have now set it by default always on display feature on this device. So you should first go to the Muviz Edge app, and here tap on the right upper corner on the settings icon and go to the always on display mode. So here, as can you see, we can show our AUD always while charging or only when you play the music. For example, we'll stay with the always one. Here we can change the screen timeout from the 5 minutes to never. So here we can change the brightness of our this icon and our clock, so about all our always on display feature. Here we get here also the close on option, just to close AUD by single tap or by double tap. We can change it to the single tap. Here also we got some switchers just to show the music on the lock display. Also the same situation is with the incoming notifications. To show music details, we can hide them after 10 seconds or never. For example, we'll stay with the 40 seconds. And also here we got the calendar section. We can show the date, turn on or turn off by tap once on the switcher. And here also we can change to show our battery status always while charging and never. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.